So ये error.txt, if you want to redirect the error, then you will use the, what happens sometime like you are running some command and you are getting lots of the error, but your administrator or someone told you, please send the data or the error data to me. What is the error you are facing? So what you will do, you will just redirect by using this command in any file and then store and then send this file to your senior administrator or the senior department to check the error or troubleshoot the issue. Okay, so there is a 3 of the redirection is there. Okay, similar if you are using the cat/var and the log and dpkg.log, here is the lots of the result is there. Okay, some is a status, some is a remove, some is a startup, some is status, some for a multiple issue is this. Okay, but your administrator said you send only the installed file or the data which having the install logs having the install or logs related to the remove. So how you will use the filter to filter this data? Okay, so you can use the pipeline sign. There is a pipeline which actually going to be use the second command from here, which is going to be shortlisted, filter the data from the output. So grep most used to getting the result here. Now you can say there is only the remove content is there, nothing else. If you want to be checked like install related to the install, so you will check only the install here. So someone said you, please redirect your data with the install only, nothing else. So what you will do, you will use this one and then store into the file, any file, and send to your administrator. So it is the filtering of the logs. So how you will use the filters? You can use the grep and give the any command. If you are not using the grep, you will see lots of the command lists. If you use the grep, and you will check here the only the status, and it will display the status only data. If you want to check the head file top of the top file, then you can use the head command. If you want to be the lowest data, then you can use the tell command. So using the pipeline and using the filter grep command, pipeline and a grep, you have understood how to use this. So it is quite simple. And then use the filter, short, and count, w count. Many things you can use after the pipeline sign. Okay. So right now I am using the and I have shown you how you can use the grep and redirect the data. If you want to redirect this status into the file, so you can use the status.txt file and ls here the cat and use the status.txt, you will get the same result. Okay. But if you want to be check the top, the data on the top screen or the bottom of this file, because sometimes you don't have the scroller, so you can use the tell head command and give the file name. File name is a status.txt, so it will display the top 10 lines here. But if you want to check the top 5, so you can use the head -n and give the 5, so it will display only the 5 lines. Either you want to check the only one line, so it will display the one line. So -n command option is used to checking the give the number of the lines inside any file. If you want to the tell, then you can use the, if you want to check the bottom lines, then you can use the tell command and the status.txt. It will display the top bottom 5 lines, 10 lines, sorry. 5, 10 lines. If you want to display more than 10 lines, then you will use the hyphen and give the number. Hyphen n is 20 or something, and you will get the result here. If you want to only the 2, then hit enter, you will get this. So these are the important commands: tell, add, and cat, and pipeline, and the grep command for the sorting the data. And the redirection, or the normal redirection, overwritten redirection, error redirection, and the standard output redirection. If you want to